Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. So my name is Mohan Reddy. I am presently pursuing my master's degree in the JNDU college. So I am here to explain the last minute tips for those who are writing gate examinations and those who are prepared well is very good, and those who are not prepared well but they have started just 1 month ago, and some of few of members are started just 10 days ago, so they are not properly prepared, even though they are how to crack the gate examination is the topic here. So I'm here to explain the tips how to crack gate examination without without thoroughly preparation. So just to we have how to qualify. For the qualifying nature, I am here to explain about the gate examinations. Actually, the gate examination is for 100 marks. It consists of 65 questions and 3 hours of time. So first 1 hour, first it consists of three parts. One is the aptitude and English part, and second one is the mathematics section, and third is the technical part. So out of this, aptitude and English consist of 15 marks, and the mathematics consist of 13 marks, and remaining 72 marks is from technical technical syllabus. So out of this, for easy pass purpose, so you have to score at least 50 out of 15 marks in the aptitude and English section. So you have to score at least 10 marks. It's very simple, I think so. So next we will go for mathematics. So out of 13 marks in the mathematics, so you have to score at least 8 marks. So both combination of this arithmetic and mathematics, we will get around the 18 marks in that topic. Then next we will go for technical syllabus. After 72 marks, you don't bother about the marks and the questions. You just focus for the sake of pass. For the sake of qualifying the gate examination, you just focus on the what you are known questions. So first one, time in the gate examination, time management is the plays a key role. So for this, you have to proper utilization time is the task. So I am telling here how utilize the proper time management. So first 1 hour you have to allocate your time to the aptitude and mathematician. So next 2 hours you will allocate to the technical abilities. So next, in the technical, out of 72 marks, you have to take any. You have to have to out of 72 marks, you have to complete answer it in the 2 hours. So around 120 minutes is 72 marks. So in that 120 minutes, you try to solve at least 12 questions. Per each question, you have to take time your own time 10 minutes. So each question 10 minutes. On that 10 minutes, you have to solve at least one question. That question you have to known one also. Actually, so many members are writing after the bachelor's degree in the gate examination. So in the bachelor's degree, we have any general knowledge. In that, by the help of that knowledge also, you have to write these gate examinations. By that knowledge also, actually any exam it will be three modes of exams, levels, three levels of exams. First level is easy level, and next to moderate level, and next to harder level. So these three levels, every 30 percentage it will be divided. 30 percentage easy level, and next 30 percentage moderate level, next 30 percentage is harder level. So all these levels are consist any examinations. So you take the questions which are easy level only, 30%. So out of 100, 30% is the 33 marks in the gate examination. You will focus only easy topics, then you will get 33 marks in the gate examinations. So you have to choose the easy to moderate level only, so don't go for harder ones. So the easy ones keep the safer place to you for scoring the gate examinations. After if you nowadays the gate examination qualifying marks are very less. Like in the previous year, 2024 IISc Bengaluru was conducted the gate examinations. So in that examination, they in the coming suppose we have to take in the mechanical stream. So in the mechanical stream, qualifying marks for the SC/ST candidates just 19 marks, and qualifying marks for OBC and EWS candidates 25 marks, and next to qualifying marks of general candidates around 28 marks. So you are focusing only easy questions, you will getting 33 marks around. So just to qualify marks is around 28 marks only. So in that range only, so you have to score at least your target is initially 30 to 40. You leave it all this, the 100 marks get examination. So how to crack this, the questions will come hardly. So you don't focus that like that like things initial itself. So first while you are going to examination hall, you have to once view the question paper, oral question paper thoroughly. So you have to find the what your known questions. You have to note your the question numbers in your notepad. So you next onwards you will go that questions only. You have to try to solve that questions what you noted. The one more thing in the gate examination is they must focus the units. So in the examination, the given data will be given some other units. Suppose kilojoules, they will given data will given. I mean talking about mechanical point of view. Suppose the given question data kilojoules is given. So the answer is asking in the joules. So why you will getting answer finally, but you are unable to get the marks because you doesn't focus in any units whatever the examination asked in the solution format. So the format is main important. So you have to focus in the units also. Units also play a key role in order to avoid the by avoiding the silly mistakes. You will score easily in the gate examinations. Lot of members are able to do, but by missing of these small tricks, they are losing the marks. So the qualifying gate exam qualifying is very simple. You don't focus the hard topics. You focus only simple topics. You score easily. Out score easily. Your target is around aptitude and English in 10 marks. Out of 15 you have to score 10 marks, and mathematics out of 13 you have to score 8 marks itself. So totally 18 marks in the general sessions. Then coming to the technical session, it will be 72 marks. So in that 72 marks, 2 hours time you have to allocate it. So in that 2 hours time, take only 12 questions. In the 12 questions, 6 are 2 marks question and 6 are 1 mark question. So totally combine of 12 plus 6, 18 marks. So in the general section 18 marks, so this technical section 18 marks, enough for this 3 hours. So totally 36 marks it will be score. It is a simple you choose only simple questions. So 36 marks is a easy qualifying nature in the gate examinations. So you focus only these things. So by following these tips and tricks, you might helpful in the cracking a gate examinations. Thank you one and all.